Hi everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. So this week's tip is to make sure you know where your customers are. What magazines are your customers reading? What newspapers are your customers reading? What television shows are your customers watching? Because that's where you want to be. As great as it would be to be on the Today Show or Good Morning America or CNN, if you're a local brick and mortar, yes, that gives you tons of credibility, but you want to be the expert in your local community on whatever your brick and mortar is, whatever your service business is. So think about that. Those are the places that you want to get to know those media outlets inside and out. Know who's writing for them, know who's producing for them, and know how they format everything they do so that when you pitch, you're a perfect fit. So I hope you enjoyed this week's tip. I'll have another great one for you next week. And if you'd like to learn more, I have a free PR challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com where you will learn how to do this and so much more. It's 10 minutes a day for 10 days, and then I ask you to continue on with that 10 minutes a day. But the return on investment of your time will be so worth it when you get tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people learning about your business. So I hope to see you in the challenge, and I'll see you next week with another PR tip.